Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. That's Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 576 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. So here we are outside Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and this is a live video. So this is a live video. It's not a pre-recorded video. Farmer Mike's giving you the opportunity to connect with him, connect with me, live anywhere in the world. We're connected by 176 million people just on this platform right now. And here I am live giving you this impromptu free educational masterclass outside Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. And that was my grandmother, Ophelia. She often worked very late. She didn't leave on a clock. She left when the work was done. And so that's what we're doing out here outside Ophelia's. Oh, the street lights are on. I got to get out of here. It's Friday, but we're putting in that work because that's what it takes to be the #1 urban farm in America. Right down the street from me, our historic Jazz District, right there. Historic Jazz District. Improvisational jazz, bebop, Kansas City jazz, our gift to the world. And here we are outside of Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Farm fresh, local produce. Gotta love that. I started this because I wanted my boys to know what real food tastes like. What real food tastes like. If you love real food, let me know in the comment section. Quick masterclass. Now is a great time to get out there and save your seeds and also buy some seeds right here. And so I'm going to show you, this is a hyssop plant right here. And let's get down here. And as you can see, oh, look at this. I've got myself some free seeds in there. I've got myself some free seeds. Oh, for next year. Oh, look at that. Very small seed. Very fragrant too right here. And I'm just going to let this fill out next year. But this is really all we have to do. So we're going to look for stuff in the landscape that's ready to be cut, and we're going to save that. And we can also go to the store, any of the stores right about now. They have this year's seed marks down. I know what you're saying, Farmer Mike, but it's this year's seed. No, don't be fooled by the marketing. That seed is still good, and it'll still be good for next year. And the germination may be maybe slightly off, but that is absolutely nothing to worry about. Now is a great time to get those seeds, because those seeds are going to double, triple, quadruple because of tariffs and other things. So go ahead and get your 2025 end of season seeds for next year. Now I know what you're saying, Farmer Mike. Well, I don't know. I read on the internet about germination. Well, did you know there was a palm tree, right? A palm tree, and it germinated after 2,000 years. 2,000 years. And we know that seeds can live dormant in the soil for quite some time. And so we tend to often overthink things. So now is a great time to go in and get those discounted seeds. Some of them are up to 90% off or more. So go ahead and get your seed collection. Get your seed collection ready right now for what you're going to plant on next year. You'll get some great deals, and if you can also save your seeds. Is what we'll do from a lot of these sunflowers right here. We can save the seeds. We do this every year, and we never have to buy our different types of sunflower seeds again. So we're basically printing our own money. I hope you enjoyed this free educational masterclass. Farmer Mike, let me get up here and pan one more time. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Visit our website, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, delivering through DoorDash. And I'm gonna call it a night. Check out the channel. Pablo the farm cat got catnapped. We got him back. Farmer Mike tracked him. And check out that video on the channel. And check out the video from last night, of course, when we had someone trying to break into the Vine Street hen's coop yesterday. So I had to go to the police station, do a police report, do my own surveillance. I'll do another recap video on that tomorrow. I have some interesting news. The neighborhood talks, the street talks, and I will recap that tomorrow. So you gotta stay tuned. Anyway, Farmer Mike, outside Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, getting out of here for the night. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives. Hope you have yourself a great night. Farmer Mike's out of here. See you later, Vine.